this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Sorry, you guys, I'm still trying to get used to that. So anyways, I am coming along with some happy mail, and this comes from Eve Era. And oh my gosh, thank you. I was so surprised when I got home and I saw this. So OMG. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what Eve. Oh, that's so sweet, Eve. You didn't even have to. That is so sweet. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, girl. I owe you. I owe you. Anyway, so let's see what she sent me. Oh, candy. Ooh, I love candy. Oh, that is really so sweet of you. Oh my goodness. So anyways, I don't know when this got to my house, but it was a nice surprise. I just got back from my mama's, so I am trying to open all my happy mail, and oh my goodness, or all my Christmas cards I will show you guys hopefully soon. And look at this. I love this. And I've seen people have a die. Is this the die? I think this is the die because the bottom part I could see the oh my gosh, the oh my gosh, when you put it together, I want to say paste, but it's not called paste. And then it has a cute little sticker, or like, oh, it's like the ugly sweater. How cute. And then she also made this cute card. It's a shaker. OMG. And look at this. And look, she used this cute bling. So she did, oh, this is cute. I like this. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, this is like puffed up, and there's a layer right here, and there's the bottom layer, and there's a shaker, and then there's another layer, and there's another layer. I like this. Oh my goodness, that is a cute die. And then oh, thank you. Oh, thank you, Eve. Oh my gosh, you didn't have to. Oh, so she's just saying that, oh, let's go ahead and see. And oh my goodness, look at you guys. How cute. So she made this. Oh, cute. And then she put this bling here, and this is from the Merry Days, and this cute little bowl. That is such a cute bowl. And then she did it the same way on this side. Oh my goodness. And then, oh, how do you cut into it? I'm going to cut it on the bottom. And I see a pencil. I see a pencil. Oh, wait. I want to... Okay. Ooh, look at this. Oh, they got stuck up here. Okay. Look at these rosettes. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Sorry, you guys. Am I in frame? OMG, I love these. OMG. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I wish I had such imagination. My imagination is terrible. And then I got another pencil. I'm gonna be playing like this. This one. Oh my goodness, so cute. OMG. And look at these. Oh, I like this rosette. Where did you get a mini rosette like that? That is so cute. Oh, look at the glove. Oh my goodness. You know, some of you guys have some amazing dies. OMG. You know, I have to start working with mine. And these are my first high shoe. I've never had the high shoe, you guys. So I'm so excited. This is a sweet and sour watermelon, and this is a sweet and sour grapefruit. So these are my first. I've heard good things about these, so I have not tasted these yet. And, oh, so I sent her some of these, and look, she did an amazing job. She did say that she used the images that I sent her. And oh my goodness, I love her coloring. Oh, look at you guys. Oh, they turned out so cute and so adorable. I cannot color like that, you guys. Oh my goodness, you did such an amazing job. I love these. These are so cute. And then she has like a oh my gosh, like a snowflake back in the back. It looks like a die. And then I love how she did these. Are like the Nouveau. Are those like the Nouveau drops? That's so cute. And I like the two one from this is so cute. And look at this one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy you enjoyed these stamps. So you guys, I had oh look at these. I had a live and then I was stamping these images and she was one of my winners. So I'm so excited that she was able to use them and look at how beautiful. Like I said, my coloring for these are terrible. And look at these. Oh my goodness. Oh, I like this. And this is a shaker. And look at this little, oh, thank you. Oh, you didn't have to send me anything. But girl, now I owe you. How cute. Oh my gosh, I love her coloring. So cute. Oh, and thank you, Mr. Santa. It's a pin. How cute. Thank you so much. Oh, and there's another, oh, two more lemons. I've been needing something like this, so I'll probably have one of these right now. Oh my gosh, Eve. Thank you so much. And then she did this cute little, oh my gosh, fry die. And I love this. This is so cute. You guys, I love everything. So, oh my goodness. And look at, she put volume, I can't say that word. So, oh my goodness. Anyways, I will link her down in the description below so you guys could go over, check her out. If you guys are not subscribed to her, so you guys could go ahead and subscribe to her. If this is your first time coming to my channel, it's our channel and I would love to have you on board, so please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.